You may have never personally experienced a fall to a lower level, but that doesn't mean that the hazard does not exist. A less frequent hazard means that the hazard is hidden, and that just makes it all the more dangerous. It is imperative that workers understand the hazards of working at heights and consistently follow the rules and safe work procedures to avoid becoming another statistic. Fall arresting system. When the possibility of a fall to a lower level exists and fall prevention and travel restraint systems are not appropriate, then a suitable fall arrest system must be used. A fall arrest system is designed to arrest a worker's fall when used together with the following components: A. Anchorage point, B. Body harness, and C. Connecting devices. Insufficient rescue planning. If a worker is involved in a fall and there has been no pre-planning to determine how a worker will be rescued, simply hanging in a harness for a 20 to 30 minute period can lead to a condition known as suspension trauma. This may occur when the body has arrested after a fall, causing circulatory problems, mainly blood pooling in the legs, which can lead to a possible loss of consciousness. If a worker is wearing a 6-foot shock-absorbing lanyard and falls, how much room do we need to give that worker to accommodate their fall? First, we must take into account the 6-foot shock-absorbing lanyard and the 3.5 feet it will extend. Even a perfectly adjusted harness will stretch. This will account for another foot. We must also account for the distance between the worker's D-ring to their feet, typically another 5 feet. Nylon straps and webbing should be grasped with both hands and bent in an inverted U, making defects easier to see. Pay attention to broken fibers, cut stitches, frays, burn holes, and chemical corrosion. Do this to both sides of the webbing. D-rings must move freely and not have any cracks or